to this gorgeous house right here in the Summerwood in Humble, Texas. We are looking at a 4-bedroom, 3.5 baths, extra driveway. I'm so excited to show you what this house has to offer. Let's go check this place out. Nice space for a study office. As you can see, we have 3 windows panels for more lights coming in. We have wood flooring here. Dining area. Great space, living area, nice windows, lots of light coming in again. Look at this high ceiling we have here. With stainless steel appliances that you can see, and of course the gas stove. And then check out these details of this granite. We have a very large primary bedroom with wood flooring.
That's beautiful.
Cabinets for extra storage.
A lot of storage in this walk-in closet. And I love how it's the same wood floor that's in the master bedroom, primary bedroom.
They do it really well here because this is just in case of water, because wood and water do not mix together. We have 2 bedrooms connected together, share the bath. More like a game room, common area.
Oh, this is beautiful.
You can use this however you like, but it's more like a common area.
It's a big area, big room.
And then we go in. This is a theater room. You don't have to go anywhere.
Look at this hidden jewel we have back here.
You don't need to go to a theater.
Wow.
We have our own theater room right here.
This is amazing. But it's got the unilevel. So it has 2 different levels actually. So you can fit a lot of people in here. Very comfortable. I like how they did this.
Right. So this is a view from the upstairs. You can see how much space we have. See how the ceiling, the high ceiling we have, plus the crown molding.
Yeah, the crown molding in this home is
amazing.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Like this home, be sure to like and subscribe. to the channel. Also leave a comment, any comments that you want to get to Vienna, and she will handle everything that you need to move into this home.